What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Node, npm, which is the Node package manager, and set up some basic React and Vue projects. So let's see, what we're gonna start with is just app update to get our package cache up and running so we can install some packages. We're going to do app and then apt install nodejs. And then we can check that we have it installed using nodejs. So we are on version 16.17. And then we're gonna want to install npm, which is a package manager, same as in pip for Python, if you watched my earlier tutorial. And then if I make a JavaScript script here, main.js, I can type console log hello world from node.js, and I run it. It prints the hello world from node.js. So that's pretty good. We have node installed and npm. There's another thing which you probably want, which is NVM. That's a node version manager, which allows you to have multiple versions of node installed at the same time, because dependencies sometimes depend on different versions. So we're gonna install NVM using this command. Okay, close and reopen to start, or run the following to use it now. Let's run the following. Paste anyway. Okay, now we can use nvm list remote to see which versions are available in the global repository. It seems to be a lot. This one seems green. LTS means long-term support, so that's always good. Let's install that version. Or we can start with checking which node version we have right now. 16.17, which is 2 versions behind. So let's install v18.15.0. It's pretty handy. It downloads everything for you and installs. So now if I run node v, I get the node version, and which is the command to see where node is located. It's gonna say root nvm versions node. If I would have run it before, it would probably point to something like this. And I can even run this one. And that's an even older version apparently, but yeah. It's good. Now we can manage our versions pretty easily, depending on what we need. We can check our currently available, which we have installed right now. So these are the ones we can use without downloading. And if we want to see every version available, we can just list remote, and we can choose any of these versions. So that's pretty good. And then now that we have node, npm and nvm, we can set up basic projects using React and Vue. So let's see, npx is another tool, so now we have node, npm, nvm and npx. a lot of shorthands in this JavaScript world, but it's gonna become logical the more you go. With npx, I think the X stands for execute, so it's a scripting environment. We can execute a script called create react app, and then we put the name of our project, which is going to be hello-world-vue. And what that's going to do is run a script that someone else created to set up a basic React app, so we can start our development. And then using that we can start a development server that has hot reloading, so we can see our code changes immediately, so that's pretty good. So now we have our React project, we can cd into that directory, see what we have, and it says to cd into it and run npm start, so npm start. Okay, beautiful. Hands up, I don't have to do anything. Apparently React has control over my computer, I don't like that, but whatever. Starting the development server. Port 3000. Yay! Edit source app.js and save to reload. Okay. Hello world React source app. Yes. Okay, here I have my React component. Edit code.js and save to reload. P save to reload. Hopefully this will show immediately. P save. Didn't do anything. Nice. Run it. Nice. So it doesn't work when we save. Oh, that's right, because it's in WSL. If we use Commander instead, we can have hello world React. Zoom a little bit. And if we run npm start here, Windows fails me. npm install. npm start. Quit this one. 3000. Save to reload. Hopefully this will show immediately. Let's add another paragraph. I think hot reload works better on Windows. Save, and then it applies immediately. So WSL doesn't work so good with file save notifications. That's why I use Commander instead for hot reload things. Immediately. Immediately. So that's pretty good. Let's do the same thing but in Vue. So npm install globally, G is for globally, view at next, added, and then we can do view create hello world view. We have to choose presets, and then it does everything for us. Okay, view is successfully installed. Terminate the reacting, go to hello-world-vue, cat package of JSON to see our command, serve. To run this command, we do npm run serve. Okay, broken, npm install. Localhost 8080. So if we navigate there in our browser, we see the Vue.js app instead. And if we do hello world react source app.vue and change something here, this says welcome to your Vue.js app, welcome to our that contains every seed of information that we need to succeed. Save, and it changes immediately, so this is pretty nice. This is all I had for today, using Node and some basic setups. I've created a website where you can buy my services if you want to support me. You can buy development. It's called Slingshot, so I will paste the domain for that. You can check that out if you need something. I sell some teaching and stuff like that if you need. Anyways, good luck on your journey, and hopefully you'll succeed. Goodbye.